Guys, I finally got the brand new Insta360 X4. I waited a month for it, but I finally got it, and I can't wait to try it out because it seems like there are a lot of improvements on this new 360 camera compared to the old X3. Unfortunately, mine has been out of order for a while because there's a really bad scratch on the lens, so the videos came out really poorly. Now with the new one, we're back on top, so let's open this box and turn on the new X4. Today my table is a complete mess because I've been working a lot lately, but we're up and running. So first of all, inside we have our beautiful X4, and right now it still has the protective films on. Look how cool it is. Okay, at first glance we can see that it's a bit bigger than the X3. And there's a very specific reason for that, which is that the battery of this X4 is 67% bigger than the old X3, which means we can record for much longer. Even though, to tell you the truth, with the X3, I never ran out of battery, not even once. I just couldn't do it. It's incredible, all this battery, which is 2,290 mAh, it's not just bigger, to have more recording time, but also because the X4 shoots in 8K and can even do time-lapse in 11K, so the quality is extremely high. By the way, earlier I mentioned the poor X3 with the scratched lens. That's why they decided to include protective lens covers in the box. Now, as soon as I find them, in the meantime, we have a charging cable and a case to carry it around. This thing, which I think is a protector, let me see. Yes, it's a kind of protector that mounts on the X4, but there must be more. There's another package in here. Here they are, finally, the highly sought-after protective lenses that are very easy to install. Just put them on and twist them. And they're on right away. So even those who complained, saying, "But if it falls, I have to throw it away," are now all set. By the way, I know there's another kit with even better lenses than these, but even like this, it already looks good. Let's just say they've added quite a lot of protection. So keep in mind that if you put on the lenses, you need to go into the camera settings and tell it that the lenses are there. Otherwise, the videos will come out distorted. And finally, in the box, we also have a cloth to clean the lenses so they stay in top shape, and that's it. Yeah, there's nothing else inside, just a lot of cardboard. I need to ask if this protection goes on the screen side because actually if we put it here, the screen stays protected and we don't risk breaking it, but we lose the functionality of the buttons. I don't know why they made it like this. This thing here is made of rubber anyway. I've already told you a bunch of stuff. Let's try to get this X4 working to see how the quality is. So as soon as I turned on the X4, I already made a video and I saw some incredible things on the app, some fantastic colors. Now I've put on the really long stick and we're doing the drone shot here. It's really long. You can see the whole park, yeah. The X4 being a 360 camera gives you the possibility to shoot with very different techniques. In addition to filming in 8K with the X4, I also increased the quality of time-lapses, like this one that I shot in 11K, an extremely high image resolution. Today our heroes set off. Yes, there are two of us. It's me and Doparoo on a mission to Monte Orsa to test this X4. I've attached all the possible mounts. I've got the chest mount, then I've got a mount down here. Later on, we'll also test the unicorn mount. Right now, I'm filming with just one lens in 4K, and I've basically got the screen in vlog mode. Today's conditions are going to be terrible because we're going into the woods. We've got sun, shadows, kind of like right now. But I have to say that looking at the little screen here, it actually recovers pretty well. The colors are amazing. It's just that I didn't know where to go in mid-May to ride in a bike park, somewhere without trees. Come on, Everugano. The last few meters on a 64% incline. We're basically already popping a wheelie without doing anything. Incredible, our heroes actually make it to the top. Well, just look at that, what a dream, wow. It rains a lot over there though, all right then. Let's go discover our destiny. Edo do Perugino, are you ready? Yes, but I didn't bring gloves. Ha, I like it for you. You prepared more, Ale. Here we have a super rocky section. Wow. Come on, I'll take you into the tunnel now. No, I'm afraid of the dark. Turn on the lights, it's cold here. Urko, sing that it's cool. Ah! So, did you like the trip? Here we are. We're among the trenches of Monte Orsa. They were prepared for the the First World War, but they were never used. They're very distinctive. There are some stones. Come on, let's keep going. Wish us luck. And off we go. Let's see what this X4 can do in the woods. There's not much sun, so... Wow. Then I also want to hear how the audio is, since we put the windscreen on the mic in a new way. It's really slippery today, oh. Oh. We lost Operu, there it is. Fusen, Fussend. Fussand. Awongasela. Bella. Is there one for men too? Anyway, the old GPS that Insta made last year can also be paired with the X4 and it works. In fact, you can see the preview of what I'm filming. And with this, you can get GPS data like speed, movement, and route tracking directly in your video. You can then add it from the app. Now I'll show you. How do you do it? From the app on your phone, but also on your PC. Telemetry can be added simply by going to the speedometer icon, where you'll find different graphics and indicators that can be placed on the screen and moved as you like. Just like with other cameras. To get GPS stats with Insta360, you need to connect either to this remote control here, or to a Garmin, or even to an iPhone. But in this case, you need to start the video from the app, so you have to be connected to the camera. Panoramic shot before we drop into the extreme downhill. How beautiful. Oh! Yeah, right side mouth, bubble inside the ditch. Perugino? Here there's clean mud. The best place to break bikes is here. It's getting darker and darker. What is this? It's the middle of the night here. Damn, we can barely see where we're going, my God. But it's super sketchy. This is new. The Pianoloni's sliding out of control to plan. Oppo. The plant.
Yeah, you stop you.
They also sent me this mount that was inside the mountain bike bundle. Bundle means the accessory package for the mountain bike, where there's also the chest mount. Let's mount it, and with this, we can get an incredible view of a nice manual. We could put it here. Well, nice, solid. This mount is incredible. You can move it however you want, and it holds really well. Here, from the app, we immediately check if we like the view. This is more or less the angle I want to get. Let's hit record and go. As always, the Insta app helps you with everything. You can do auto tracking or even ask it to edit videos just by adding the clips. And many other features, which honestly I don't even remember anymore. Guys, today me and my buddy from Perugia back here, say hi. We're heading towards Brunate because it's the only place I know where there's a ridge trail without any forest. To let you appreciate the colors of this X4, which are incredible when you film in 8K, we still have to pedal a bit uphill because here we're going pretty high up. Starting from Lake Como, we climb about 600 to 700 meters in elevation, and after 13 kilometers of uphill, gentlemen, we're almost at the top. Look at this. It's a shame it's hazy today, but the view is amazing. Last efforts for our heroes towards the summit. And here, it's not exactly an easy trail. Getting up here is quite a challenge. Help. I don't know if you can tell how steep this climb is, but I'm basically doing a wheelie. That's it. It won't go up anymore. What a pain, right? Incredible. We made it. Monte Boleto, 1,235 guys. It's really high. Pretty tough even from the top of the mountain. Today we're trying the unicorn mount here. This carbon rod you always want to find among the 3 Insta360 accessories. So let's go ahead and mount it like this. I just put a sticker here on the helmet, we clip it here, and we can use 2 different angles. These are the 2 options. Either like this in front. With this, we'll have a shot that we can use from the front, showing my face, or otherwise like this, facing backward. And it feels like having a drone following us. Now we'll try this one because I'll test the front-facing one later. I've arrived in the Perugia sun. Let's go to her. Brr. Oh! No, flat tire. Today's situation is just perfect, I'd say. We have a flat front tire, it's cut. The rear brake doesn't work because it leaked oil onto the pads. Perfect, so there's no control in the front or the back. Great. So what do? Are we going? Let's thank that Fantazi bad luck cloud for making us wait like 45 minutes for absolutely nothing. Let's venture into this extremely easy descent, I have to say. I almost want to grab the camera and go, since it looks like someone is happily doing a nice stretch on their own. Damn, Diego Cavarzasi must have fun doing this. Whoa, nasty rock. Whoa. Come on, let's wait for him. Ha! Unrideable. Welcome to the course on riding broken bikes. Unrideable bikes. Damn, man, you're tough. Whoa. All right, here I have to get off and walk. It's too much to go without a tire. Go on. Thanks. To finish this video, I took out the mount from the mountain bike bundle again. And let's try that shot again while doing a manual. But at the dirt jumps, to do some tricks, I'm going to attach it like this so we have it horizontal so it's a bit outside the frame. And now I'll show you how it turned out. Thanks, everyone. Here we are again. I'd say I've tried this X4 in every way to help you understand how you can use it and what its potential is. As a biker, I have to say I definitely would have preferred it to be lighter. But the new battery and this new build are slightly bigger. They give you more time to film and, above all, to shoot in 8K, which, as you've seen from the clips, makes everything much brighter, more colorful, and more beautiful to watch, I have to say. I didn't use it much filming with the single lens in 4K, but I almost always used it in 360 because I wanted to see the difference from the old X3. But what I can tell you is that 360 cameras give you a versatility that regular cameras just don't have. If you're looking for a 360 camera with very high quality, the X4 is the one for you. You can find it on the Insta360 website starting from €560. And if you use the link below in the description, you can also get some extra accessories. I'd say that's everything for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. I don't know what we'll do in a week, though. Bye.
Awesome!